Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, project of the day. I'm gonna try it. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna try it. Alright, this is what we're gonna do. Way on yonder over there, there is a Trx125. Let's see if we can get it started. Alright. Hang on, let me drag it out. Well, there we are, guys. Got the seat ripped off. And I put this old battery in here from, I don't know what it came off of, but there it is. And it lasted a long time, but it's obviously no good now. So got another old battery we're going to try on it, and we're going to see if we can get this thing to start up. Now when I put it away here, I did drain the gas tank and the carburetor, so hopefully that helps. Alright, let me get all set up here and we'll give it a roll. Hang on. Alright guys, we got a battery in it, so let's see if she cranks. Neutral light comes on. It ain't the strongest battery, so I'm going to save it. Let's put some fuel in it and see what happens. Bring you back. Alright folks, we got the gas can out. I got it, some gas in it. Got the battery hooked up. I'm going to put you right back here. Hopefully you can see. Maybe not, don't know. Alright, best I can do, guys. I'm going to put you right there. Let's see if we can get her started. Alright, it's been since summer. Last I had it running was about July of 18. And here it is February of 19. So let's see if she runs. Alright, I'm going to pull the choke. Everything seems to be free, so let's try it. Wow. Right off, guys. Wow. Hang on a sec, I gotta adjust the thing here. I can't believe it actually started that easy. Wow. Leaking gas though, I see. Yeah, she's leaking gas right here somehow or another. I don't know what's going on there. Oh, we got a tank leak. Alright, well, looking like we're gonna have to fix that too. Yeah, but she runs. Sweetness. Alright, so I'm gonna air up the tires, and it's supposed to snow. So I don't know. We'll see. Thanks for joining me on the adventure, guys. But she does run. Have to pull that tank off though and fix that, right? Yeah, looks like we got a gas leak. Alright. Maybe for now I could put a little bit of putty on it. I don't know. We'll take a peek. Anyway, thanks for joining me, guys. We got her running. Take care. Love y'all. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.